This recipe calls for 2 large onions, so I'm going to cut mine down through the center first and cut off the blossom end. This will make it easier to peel. I leave the root end on because that helps keep the onion together while I'm slicing it. And now I'm going to thinly slice it. Keep your fingers out of the way. And discard the root end. And I'll cut up my second onion.